Okay, welcome to another CMMS Dude video. In this video, we're going to demonstrate the water quality inspection form. So for this demo, I'm just going to pick a piece of main and I'm going to hit start and create new work order. Under the work type, I'm going to pick this brand new shiny water quality inspection form. I'll go ahead and set this to in progress. Let it be assigned to me. I'll put a team on here, a priority, a work class of corrective maintenance, and we'll say demonstrate inspection form. We're going to go ahead and save that and let the system create a work order. And here's our work order. So typical work order summary. Here's our description, comments, all of those things, right? So the same basic structure: summary, task list, time, materials, equipment, vendors. The meat of the form is here under the tasks. And here you can see this is the water quality investigation task. I can open that up. It's going to automatically put my name in there because I'm the person who's opening it up. So it automatically assigns it to me. I could put in the team for this task. That's not a required field, right? So here's the complaint number, alphanumeric. So let's just say C-12345. Report received by. I could put my name in there. The date the complaint was received. Again, you can change that, but I'm just going to go ahead and leave it today's date and time. Address of the job. So you can put whatever the address is in this box. City of the job. This is the pick list I used for the city of the job. We can adjust this pick list if necessary, but you can see it has Antioch, Bay Point, Brentwood, Byron, Clayton, Concord, Crockett, Holt, Martinez, Oakley, Pittsburgh, Pleasant Hill, Port Chicago, Port Costa, Walnut Creek. I believe this represents all of the cities that cover our entire service area. So let's just say that this one was in Concord. Zip code. The appropriate zip code is. Water quality issue reported. Here's the pick list for the water quality issue. So we got taste and odor, brown water color, corrosion or rust, diffused air, black particles, white particles, gastrointestinal, and I've obviously misspelled inquiry. So let's just say, corrosion or rust. Water quality issue additional information. So this is just a free-form text box where you can put any additional information about the issue. Total chlorine test required. This is just a yes, no. We could say yes. Turbidity required. Yes, no. We could put a yes. Sample collection point. We have a pick list here for outside tap, inside tap, or source. So let's just say it was an outside tap. Sample type required. Here's our pick list: BAC T, PT, FPA, leak, Gen Chem, or other. So let's say it was a BAC T. We could consider other. I could put another field in here that says if other describe or something like that. If we need that, just give me some feedback on that. But if other is descriptive enough, we could just leave it that way. All right, so let's say it was a BAC T. Issue resolved at time of call. In this case, I think we're indicating that we're going out and pulling samples. So I would say no, it wasn't resolved at time of call. Then we have the cause pick list: customer problem, main break, main repair, flushing program, contractor caused, main break, dead end, non-district problem. So this should be matching the paper form. So let's just say, I don't know, contractor caused. Spoke to customer, we just got a yes, no. Flushed main, we just have a yes, no, or NA. Flush service, yes, no, or NA. So maybe in this case, it was a main and we say, we didn't need to flush the service. Sample tap, maybe that's a no. Mailed information, maybe it's an NA. Notified treatment, Say, yes, we did. I don't know, notified operations, yes. No action. No, we actually did take an action. So this is just a list from the paper form where I guess you would check which ones you did or not check it if you didn't do it. I made these all yes, no questions. And then investigation findings, free form text box, right? So you could put in whatever investigation findings you have there, right? And then I would go to this status and we could say that this was completed. Now, some of the things we could consider, right? We're taking samples here. We may want some boxes to say, results of the samples, or did the samples clear? Yes, no. Like, we may want some additional information there. I don't know. It wasn't on the paper form. But if we want to document those things as well, or if you document them somewhere else and you want to roll it into this program, we could definitely do that. But right now, we don't have anything past actually taking the samples and saying that the sample type is required. So we could consider doing that. So in this case, I'm going to say, hey, this is completed. Just going to mark that task as complete, right? Then I could come in here and say, okay, well, you know, maybe I put in some regular time here. Maybe this took me an hour and a half total. That hour and a half started this morning at this time. And then my budget was whatever your, let's say it's probably, I don't know if it's water quality sampling activity code 325, but whatever your appropriate activity code is. Trade I'm going to leave blank because it already knows what my default trade is. We can remember trade is only used if you're on an upgrade. So I would just charge my time. There's an hour and a half to this. Go into my summary. If there were any comments that I wanted to put in here, customer said XYZ, whatever, like additional sort of logged comments you wanted to put, you could definitely put, you know, your log comments here. Save that. So, you can see there's comments entered, and I could change the entire work order to complete. Go hit save, and that would be the execution of a water quality inspection form. So please take a look at this video. Let me know what you think about the form design. Give me some feedback. If we like it, I'll go ahead and build this in production and we can put it into use. If we need to make some revisions, I can make these revisions here in test and demonstrate the revised form if necessary, and then put that one into production and put it into use. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video. Get back to me as soon as you can. Thank